It has been a cold day today and nothing can be better than a hot pot of pepper soup fish. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I make my pepper soup fish, so stay tuned. For the ingredients, I will be using tilapia fish, bebe, cloves, black pepper, white pepper, ginseng, chili pepper, onion, seasoning cubes, ginger, garlic, salt, and some celery stems. So these are the spices I will be using, but if you want to make your pepper soup and you know any other spices that you can use, then feel free to add it. To begin with, I will go ahead and clean my fish. Because the scales are so hard, I will be using a kitchen scissors to remove them. Be careful as you remove the scales so that you don't incur some injuries. So I will continue to remove all the scales just like this. After cleaning the fish, the next thing I will do is to cut the fish in small pieces. Also be careful so that you don't injure yourself with a knife. The next thing I will do is to rinse my fish. To prepare my spices, I will go ahead and burn the bebe. You can also fry the bebe, but I prefer to burn it because when you burn it, it brings out the smell more stronger. Next up, I will go ahead and add all my ingredients into my kitchen blender. Then I will add some water and blend into a smooth consistency. Now I will go ahead and bring my pot to heat, after which I will add my fish and half of my grind spices. At this stage, I'm not adding any water into it, only the spices. This will enable the spices to absorb inside the fish and make it even more tasteful. So after adding my spices, I will allow it to steam for about 4 to 5 minutes. And now I will add some water. Then I will give it a mix. My seasoning cubes, salt, and then I'll mix again. Be careful to mix gently so that you don't separate your fish. I will go ahead and add my cloves. After which I will cover the pot and allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I will add some olive oil, but this oil is optional, so you can definitely skip it if you want. The olive oil helps to bring out more color to the pepper soup. Finally, I will garnish it with some celery leaves. At this point, I will taste the pepper soup to check if all the ingredients are okay. Do not imitate me by using your hand. You can use the spoon to taste your pepper soup because it's indeed very hot. So my pepper soup is ready. I will go ahead and off the heat. You can use yam, plantains, rice or potatoes to eat your pepper soup with. As for me, I will be using rice. Just look at that. It looks so delicious, and I assure you the aroma here is killing, guys. I will go ahead and serve my pepper soup. The head, that is definitely for me. I love head fish. That's my favorite part when eating a fish. Yeah, so guys, that was it on how to cook pepper soup fish. So if you're going to try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Look at that. How delicious can that be, especially for a cold weather like this? So that was it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so for more affordable recipes from Mirabikono Inspire. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you. Bye.